ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen. Welcome back. We are at it again here in beautiful Louisville. I don't know, Spirit Airlines, I believe. We pick up some trade show stuff. I'll call you back, dude. Gonna get off at exit 4. Bro. Hello. Hey, I'm doing well. Can I call you back? Yeah, give me an hour and a half, 2 hours or so. I'll call you back. Yeah, right now I'm trying to work it. Yeah. Maybe. I'll call you back though. No, I understand. I'll have to call you back. I can't right now. Yeah. I'll text you and let you know. I can text you and let you know, then you can call me at that point. Yeah, no, I understand. Thank you. I don't know. I'll text you. Oh my gosh, dude, I can't. Like, please. Get it through your head. I'll call you back or text you. That's what it means. Jeez. Anyway, we're getting off here at exit 4. Man. I was told we're going to go past Broadway. Jeez, bro. So I was told that we'll go down here. We're looking for a warehouse on the left. This is going to stay straight. We will pass Broadway. So we're off 9th Street. Yeah, so I don't need to go that way. I need to go straight. There'll be a Honda building on the right up here somewhere. After Broadway, once we cross over Broadway, all these trees in the median and everything will end, and then there'll be some sort of median that we can drive up onto and get out of the way, give the guy a call that we're meeting, and then he's gonna get me to pull into the building and all that stuff. So ought to be interesting. I finally had to hang up on dude because he wasn't going with the I'll call you back or I'll text you and then you call me at your convenience. It sounds weird if I'm like, I'm trying to record some video footage for my YouTube channel, bro. He's like, it'll just take a minute. It'll just take a minute. I just need your authorization. It'll just take a minute, bro. I'll call you back, man. Thank you. Have a good day. Alright, so we're going to get over. So we need to be in the left lane. Where's Broadway? Well, they done updated the... We got like a computer or whatever screen over here on the bus stop, let you know where the bus is and all that. That's pretty neat. turns. What's y'all's favorite city to truck in as far as like big downtown cities? Let me know in the comments where y'all like trucking. What, you know, cities that you hate the most. Obviously everybody's gonna be like downtown New York, but a lot of people like New York. Let me know what y'all's city that you like trucking to, or you don't mind, maybe not like, but like if you have to go downtown a certain city, is there a city that you're like, yeah, whatever, it's no big deal, I'll go. And then you got the ones that you just can't stand going and you refuse to. I got states that I refuse to go to. New Jersey. I'll go through Maryland on like 95 or whatever, but or 81, whatever it is. Other than that, I'm not interested. New York, I don't go to New York. But my favorite city that I like trucking to, it's gotta be Nashville, because it's home, right? Oh there, buddy. It's an interesting looking scooter hanging. Oh, downtown Louisville. Hey, here's Broadway. Right on. So right after this, there'll be a building, a Honda building on the right, and this median's gonna end. Hey, it's Matthew. Hey, I am going across Broadway right now. All right, let's see the median stops. Is there a name on the building? Is there an entrance I'm looking for here? Alright, so I'm going actually on this concrete median here. Okay, so that's... Yep, it's a little accurate right here. Okay. And there's room to turn around in there, huh? Okay, cool. We will get in there then. Okay. All right. Oh, wow. See what he says here. Okay, yeah.
I'm in on this side over here.
Okay.
I gotta get somebody out of there right now. They're just dropping something off.
Okay.
But the trick of this is, if you want to hug this wall, when you turn there, you want to hug that wall all the way around
back
here,
in.
and then put that right here, and then you back right in.
Okay.
You'll see that the trick is staying close to these walls, like staying close. I'll
Right.
But I'll do it.
I'm gonna throw a drone in the air too.
What's that?
I'm gonna put a drone in the air.
Drone?
Yeah, kind of eyes so I can see.
That's awesome, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty simple. We do this all the time, so.
Yeah, right on. I'm gonna go ahead and pull over here. I can't see anything, so.
Nice job.
Thank you. Well, we got her in there. That wasn't too bad, and it's like perfectly straight. I'm impressed. Couldn't see anything, but I hit that dog just right. Man, that's solid. Gotta brag a little bit. Y'all give me so much crap I can't back up. Look at it. I did it. I did it. Finally did it. All that extra schooling paid off that y'all said I needed, and yeah, it's not too bad. But when we leave here, we got to pull out, pull up here, turn, and basically come back around, go back out the same way, obviously. But we are going to Memphis, so going to the convention center right there in Memphis off the river. So that'll be neat. He's calling me. Ah, Dan the man. I'll get back to you guys. Y'all, we are in stopped traffic. Everybody like inches up, but other than that, we are stopped. Got the windows down because the AC stopped working. Blower's fine. Y'all, it is so hot. This sucks. It is what it is, I guess. He's able to stop calling. Hang on. Hello. Out of Indianapolis, what does it pay? Yeah, I'm gonna pass right now. So, yep, thank you. Another $2 to change load. It's ridiculous. Oh well. We're gonna roll. Hopefully, get some airflow through this cab because it's freaking hot. We're here at Walmart in Gallatin, Tennessee, and yeah, we're gonna try this bad boy. Hopefully this works. The camera's rattling, but yeah, hopefully this helps because it's freaking hot. I'll put the camera up. Hang on. We got cold air. Yay! Woo-hoo! Alright, let's get on the road. Get over to Memphis. Well, we're playing in some traffic here in Pegram, Tennessee. 191. They made it very far. We got 194 miles to go. Let's see here. Our ETA is 720. But yeah, it's been slow. We were stopped for a good, I don't know, 10 minutes, just kind of sitting still. And now, I mean, we're finally rolling, but not doing too much. So the whole AC thing, when I plugged it up, I thought the AC compressor was out of fluid at first, and I don't know, I turned off the camera because I'm like, well, I gotta figure out what's actually going on. I wasn't worried about the camera, but I should have left it on. But it wound up being a wire that was short because I was just gonna jump the compressor and get it kicked on. Left lane closed, half mile. All right, so I need to get over. But when I grabbed the wire to get ready to jump it, the compressor kicked on, and I was like, all right, let me hook up the fluid to it, and it was all good. Everything was fine. It was full. So definitely a wire short, which didn't even really need any Freon. But it's all good. Got it done. Got the I mean, right now we got the AC blowing nice and cold. It's hot. It was 94 degrees. Oh, excuse me. 94 degrees out here. Oh, somebody's letting me over. That's awesome. Thank you. I was gonna leave a whole lot later from Nashville, but I wanted to get over here before it was too late, especially trying to figure out where I'm going, downtown Memphis, and all that good stuff. I'll let this Jordan guy in here. Not even paying attention. This guy in this pickup truck that's coming up next to me was behind me, and he just got over. People are getting over in the left lane, go around a couple people and get right back in the right lane. That's frustrating. I mean, y'all are what's causing the backup. Y'all were in the correct lane. You should have just stayed there. Instead, that white car did the same thing. Oh well. What do y'all think about blocking the left lane though? Like trying to keep people from jumping out there and getting all the way up here to the front. Kind of like this pickup truck is doing. I think y'all can see that. Yeah. What do y'all think of that? I've done it. I've seen other drivers do it. I don't know. I think the whole zipper method just works the best. If everybody just takes their turn and just kind of merges in, you know, nicely. Everybody takes turns and just moves over, we'll be all right. That doesn't happen very often, does it? Anywho, obviously got some road work up here. I'll see y'all when we get down the road a little ways. Well, we are almost there, guys. We are finally less than 2 miles out. Looks like we're gonna get off at 1D. It's like one of these next exits up here. Danny Thomas Boulevard. I've been to this Bass Pro before, a long time ago, and I don't remember how I was coming across the interstate. I was coming the other way when I got off, because that's a whole lot easier to deal with than this. But let's see here. We're gonna go north. Oh, that's right. There's a scale on the bridge, or on the other side of the bridge. Whoa! Slow down, Nelly. Random spot to put a stop sign here. Oh, are you coming over? Man, that could be dangerous. road closed. Westbound. Oh, it's local traffic only. I don't know. Oh, it's down there somewhere. I don't know. Alright, mobile detailing. How much for a big truck? Here's something downshifting. Yeah, it's a quad. Oh, look at this thing. Is it gonna go? Yeah. Wow. Interesting. He's ripping it up through the grass. All right. Oh, what does this sign say? Oh, bicycles share the road. Okay. Whew. Got a little nervous there. Gonna come around me in this left lane. It's not a passing lane, but all right. Whatever you say. Man, people are wild out here. A big old pyramid. Oh, jeez. Oh, it looks like I gotta turn left here. Can I not go straight? Oh, no, because then I won't be on that road. I gotta go under that level. Let's see here. Whoa, it doesn't look like they were stopping. This car right here came in hot. I believe this is my street. Yep. Difference, right? 0.1. So the next road is where I need to go. To like the Memphis PD storage yard. Oh, that sun is bright, isn't it? Sheesh. So we're gonna go over Front Street and then turn left into a little small parking lot or another road, and then the dock for this thing is gonna be right down there. Yep. Turn left right there behind that pickup truck. Man, you got to get out here far enough to see traffic coming either way. Sheesh. No trespassing from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. All right, well, we're not. We're gonna go down this little road right here. Trailer into that. Okay. So the dock we're going to is down here. said there's a guard shack down here, and so far, I have not seen it. But I am going the right way. This is what he told me I'd be dealing with. This thing opens up into a big parking lot. Ah, the gate is open. Right here, okay. So security would open this gate for me. Meanwhile, the marshalling yard is to the right down here, but I can stay in this. I can stay right here. Yep, perfect. Right on, guys. Well, we made it to where we need to be. This is exciting. I'm gonna put this old girl in the dock, and oh, there's one with a lift gate and there's one with not. Let's go this one. So we're not gonna back all the way into the hole. We have to open the doors in the morning. So we're gonna call it good right there. And I think at some point, I'm gonna put the drone in the air and check all this stuff out, because this is neat looking. Like this, I don't know if y'all can see it, but the moon is right there, which is freaking neat. It's right up there at the corner of that building. Yeah. Pretty neat. Downtown Memphis, Tennessee. See you guys in the morning.
She's a mother, a lover, a wife, and a friend. Always there to lend a helping hand to anyone. She's a preacher, a teacher, judge, and nurse. Chauffeur, umpire, cashier, clerk, and a cloudy time when I needed one. Taught us all about right from wrong. Stand up tall and grow up strong, and don't tell lies. You don't have to, son. Honey, well, I know what it would be. www.beautiful, that's what you are to me. Long blonde hair and big blue eyes, that smile knocked me off my feet. www.beautiful, that's what you are to me. Well, I know you're not a movie star up on that silver screen. You weren't born with a silver spoon, you ain't got a lot of money. When you flash those baby blues and them skin-tight blue jeans, my heart falls down to my knees. I pick my...
Well, we got the trailer unloaded, and we actually moved because I'm not gonna sit in the sun like that. I'm underneath the bridge, and it's actually really windy, so it's helping out a lot as far as the heat goes. yeah, this has been an adventure. I had another load that I was gonna do, and I'm hoping I still get a little something, maybe I can find something to do. But I was going to take a Marion, Arkansas to Memphis, and it was power only, so I could get 70%, 13 miles on the dispatch, as far as the load goes. That's what it said. I got over there, the guy said he had 5 of them. It's a power only round trip, so $400 for 26 miles round trip, right? Like, gravy, why not? Did that, got over to the shipper. It wound up being the Union Pacific Railway, and that's not gonna happen. I hooked up to the container, I moved my 5th wheel all the way back, did what I needed to do there. I don't know where they're going, there's nowhere to go here. Everybody keeps coming down here like they're trying to get to the parking garage, but there's a whole nother level up there. You gotta go down, turn right, then you brings you up on Front Street. Anyway, yeah, so the container situation, just not a good idea. It's because I've never done it. I was a little leery about it, but I hooked to it and I got out to the guard, put in my driver's license information, and the guard called me and said, hey, I need you to call your agent and let him know to put a carrier under your driver's license number so you can roll with this. I'm like, all right. Call the agent, no answer. Text him, no answer. I call Landstar because I'm like, hey, this is what's going on. I can't haul this load out of here. Blah, 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 whatever. He's like, okay, I'll try to call him. No answer. And then I wind up, like, I was told by Union Pacific that I had to turn around. So I brought the trailer, pulled out of the property, you know, did a U-turn in the road and brought it back. And parked it back where it was. But it wound up being 35 miles from A to B for the, you know, from the shipper to the receiver in Memphis. And I sent him a screenshot of where I was at the shipper to the receiver's address, and he's like, oh, you did something wrong. It's 10 miles. I've been doing this for a year. I'm like, yeah, you've been doing this for a year and you know exactly what you're doing. It's zip code to zip code, 10 miles maybe, and you're not being honest whenever you say it's power only container instead of you know, just power only Amazon. So I wound up not doing those loads, and he had to take them off of me because it sounded good for 26 miles round trip, $400 all in. Okay, I'm gonna make, you know, $300 on these. It's not bad, I'll take it. Especially to kind of fill in the time while I'm waiting on this load to reload and then head back up to Louisville. Yeah, it wound up not doing them, and it's kind of frustrating because that was an extra $2,000 if I would have done all 5, all in at least. So it would have been like $1,600. But the agent wouldn't get back to me. He texted me this morning and said, good morning, do I need to take you off the loads? Dude, this was Saturday night. It is now Monday. Like, what are you talking about? Like, obviously I'm not doing them. I couldn't get a hold of you. Landstar couldn't get a hold of you. Like, I don't, it's just frustrating. Getting swindled by an agent, it just, that crap pisses me off. Like, be honest, be upfront. Like, hey, it's zip code to zip code, sure, 10 miles, 13 miles, whatever, but it's actually 35 miles one way, which then turns it into 70 miles round trip, which is still, I mean, it's not that great anymore, especially dealing with the container situation. It's really heavy. Yeah, let me know if you guys would have done it. I didn't want to do it, and I felt disrespected with the whole, he's not going to answer the phone, not going to answer his text after giving me all the information for the loads, and trying to get it taken care of. Let me know what you guys think. Was I wrong to not do it? I don't mind the hard work. I don't mind working with, you know, doing different stuff. I've done Conestoga, I've done other stuff that's out of my normal realm of trucking, so I don't mind doing it. I just don't want to be lied to before I get to wherever it is to do it. So anywho, we're gonna hang out here. We're probably gonna go shower somewhere at West Memphis, Petro or Flying J or something, wherever. Yeah, hopefully get this thing washed. But I've been flying the drone around. Hopefully y'all like the footage that is in this video. and I will see you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Thank y'all for the love and the support for this channel. I appreciate it. My family appreciates it. Another thing, real quick, let me know if you guys know how to fix this, or if anybody, it's gonna be loud because my generator's running because I got the AC going. So bear with the sound, but I want y'all to see. I'm gonna try to point at it if I can do that. Let me know how to fix this because I just found it and I'm a little concerned that it could get nasty quick. So let me know. There's a crack that runs right up underneath here, and it runs to here, and it runs all the way over to the other side. I've been trying to clean all the oil off from underneath the truck from whenever it was leaking really bad. So you guys can see it's pretty nasty under there. This is a clog from that right there. But yeah, those hoses, I know you're wondering, those are the bunk heater hoses that go over here. The metal pipes were rusted, and I've never used the bunk heater anyway, so I just took them out. I need to get under there and just disconnect them from the bottom. But obviously the airbags are deflated a little bit, but my concern is that crack that runs right there. What do I need to do? Is there a specific repair or a shop that does that kind of fixing stuff? Or what? I don't know, let me know. Again, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Continue to seek God, praise Him, and carry a weapon. You are your first responder. Think it better. Let your family know you love them, guys. I'll see you guys.